Hey everyone, today we're making easy to make German potato pancakes. Now this is a crispy potato snack that's often served as a side dish and topped with applesauce or maple syrup, making it a sweet side dish. In this recipe, however, we're giving it an Asian twist. Let's see how. So first let's take a look at the ingredients for the potato pancakes. We have 4 large russet potatoes, about 800 grams total, half of a yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. This is used to season the potato mix, along with 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of dried tarragon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Now firstly, we've rinsed the potatoes and then we're going to cut all around the center of the potato just very lightly, just to give it a small cut through the skin. This helps to peel the potatoes once they're cooked. To save time, I cooked the potatoes in a pressure cooker. Once tender, the skin comes off very easily. You can see here how the potato skin comes off effortlessly. Peeling the skin while the potatoes are still warm makes the job easier. Place the potatoes in a colander so that any extra liquid is drained out, and then refrigerate till they've cooled down. Now we can grate the potatoes. I've grated the potatoes using the medium-sized grater and not the extra fine one. Grate all the potatoes and add to a bowl. And then we're going to add in the remaining ingredients, the eggs and the yellow onion. Now the yellow onion needs to be grated as well, and we only need about half an onion. It should only be about half a cup of minced onion, and we're using the fine grater here. Squeeze out any liquid from the onion before adding it to the bowl. So it's worth noting that we don't want chopped onions and we don't want pureed onions here. We want finely minced onions for best texture. Now we can add in the remaining ingredients, which includes the fresh chopped parsley, the cornstarch, tarragon, nutmeg, white pepper powder, salt, and baking powder. Stir to combine all the ingredients for the potato mixture thoroughly. When you're done, you should end up with a mixture that is moist but not at all wet. Now we can start to fry our potato pancakes, and for this we're using clarified butter. We've also formed the potato mixture into balls about 3 tablespoons each. Add a very small amount of the clarified butter into the pan as it heats up, and then place 1 ball at a time into the pan. Use a flat spatula to gently press the potato ball into a pancake shape. Getting some oil on the spatula before you do so prevents it from sticking to the surface. Fry the flattened potato pancake on one side for less than a minute until it's nice and golden brown and crispy. Keep the heat regulated and then flip over and continue to do the same on the second side. When both sides are golden brown and crispy, remove to a wire rack. As you can tell by that beautiful golden brown exterior, it's perfectly crisp on the outside while remaining soft in the center. That's what makes these potato pancakes so delicious. Now we can continue to flatten and transform these potato balls into crispy potato pancakes. Now while these potato pancakes are traditionally served with applesauce, making it a sweet snack, we're opting for an irresistible, fresh-tasting Asian flair. For this we have 200 ml of Kara coconut cream that has been chilled in the fridge overnight. And the best part of this sauce is that there's no cooking involved. Pour the entire pack of Kara coconut cream into your blender jar. Along with this, add 50 grams of cilantro or coriander leaves. To this, we're also going to add 1 small green chili. You can adjust this according to your heat tolerance, as well as 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste. If you don't have tamarind paste, you can also use lemon, but we really recommend using the tamarind paste. Add salt to taste and blend. The tamarind paste adds a nice tanginess along with a slight sweetness, but it also helps to thicken the sauce. Pour this into a bowl immediately and serve with those potato pancakes while they're still warm. So we're serving these potato pancakes alongside some sausages, and we have the traditional applesauce along with our freshly made tongue-tickling coconut cilantro sauce. Try both. Try the applesauce, try the cilantro coconut sauce, and if you're feeling adventurous, mix them both together and try that. I hope you enjoyed this video for quick German potato pancakes with coconut cilantro sauce. Do let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I am leaving the recipe card for you all here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.